Hi, girls. So for Charlie's Cleaners, right at the top of the document, it gives you the steps that you need to work through. So steps 1 to 4. So the first thing that you're going to do is give each general ledger account a chart of accounts number according to the chart of accounts numbers provided. So if you scroll down, this here is just reminders. So if you scroll down, the chart of accounts is at the top of page 2. So assets in the hundreds, liabilities in the 200s, equity in the 300s, income in the 400s, and expenses in the 500s. So the first thing that you're going to do though is you're still going to go through here and you're still going to identify what each general ledger account is. So bank is going to be an asset, GST paid, liability, GST, although actually they've split them out there. So what we need to do there is, I'll get back to you on that one. Capital, equity, drawings, equity. Cleaning equipment is going to be an asset. Cleaning vans, asset. Cleaning supplies, asset. A loan, liability. Interest on loan is an expense. Dividends received is income. Cleaning fees, income. Business cleaning fees, income. Wages, expense. Cleaning van expenses, expense. Telephone expense, expense. Advertising expense. Bank fees expense. Insurance expense. Okay, and then you're going to go through and give them a chart of accounts number according to whether they're an asset, liability, equity, income, or expenses. So that's the first step. The second step is that you need to go through and enter the opening balances from the opening trial balance. So this here is the opening trial balance. So bank has got an opening balance of 2763. So then you're going to go down to bank and you're going to put the date, which is the 1st of May. You're going to put opening balance and then you're going to put it into the final column. Okay, so I want you to here, right up the top, debit, and there's 2 columns there, one for dollars, one for cents. This is credit, one for dollars, one for cents, and this is the balance, one for dollars, one for cents. And then here, this little column here is where you're going to write debit or credit. Okay, so for the bank, we're going to put 267300, and bank is a debit, so we're going to write debit there. And then you're going to follow that process for the rest of the accounts using the opening balances there. So what I want you to do, so before I said about GST, I'll let you know. What I want you to do is I want you to treat the GST as being one account like what we have been doing. So ignore this GST paid account and just use that one GST, okay? So ignore that. This one just does it a little bit differently, okay? But just do it how we have been doing it, okay? And then you're going to go through, once you've done all the opening balances, you're going to go through and you're going to post the totals. So the bank, GST received, house cleaning fees and business cleaning fees from the cash receipts journal, and then the sundry items you're going to do as well. You'll follow that same approach for the cash payment journals. You're going to post the totals from the bank, GST, cleaning supplies, drawings, wages, and then the items from sundry. And then you're going to go through and post the closing balances into the closing trial balance, okay? Please message me if you have got any questions and I'm happy to go through it or do another video. Awesome, great work, girls.